and the particular schools. Okay? And this led to the secularization of the madrasah. My friend, the madrasas are just as secular as the government school. Secular means what? Void of. Okay? So if the government school is void of the spiritual aspect, is secular. But the madrasas void of the sciences, secular. Okay? So we are just as secular. We are not more pious, we are not more spiritual. Okay? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends knowledge down to earth for Khalifah untuk nak memakmurkan dunia ni. You don't have the sciences, you can't. Okay? Seperti macam apa Imam Ghazali kata, then our journey is like a ship. The sail is what? Is the iman. The hull is the taqwa. Okay? And we need to also what? To know the direction, where to navigate and all that. That's where the hard sciences comes in. The sciences comes in. Okay? Tak boleh suka-suka je jalan angin sedap Okay. And the interesting thing is that during the 8th century, because as you know, the 300 years ends at the 10th century. Okay? You all know, So the 10th century is the end of the Salaf period. But you can see there was a green Islamic revolution. And if you look through, you go through the Wikipedia, you don't just start green revolution. Then you will say the revolution of Iran is a green revolution. You have the white revolution, the green revolution, and the red revolution. Whoever put it, I don't know. Okay? I think they like the colors there. Okay. So, but there is, if you type out Islamic green revolution, then you will get this answer. Okay? Because why? We learned that during the period of the Salaf, batteries were being already invented. Batteries. And they found Islamic journals creating batteries, but it was this bigger. Kebayan satu bateri. Okay? So imagine that your camera boleh tak? Plug in meletup benda tu. Okay? So batteries, windmills. Water punya tu were being created by tu. Ice was made in the desert, but no CFCs. Okay? So you can see that knowledge during the Salaf period was at its peak as well. Not only in terms of the Islamic jurisprudence that we are more exposed to now. Imam Shafi'i, Imam Hanbali, Maliki dan only the jurisprudence tu. Very myopic perspective of their history, not our history. Their story, not our story. When knowledge was light, the whole world benefited from it. Okay? So, that was the Green Revolution. Now, the Mecca Conference of 1977. Okay? Well, I don't know. Now there is a big, my student in New Zealand now, saying that they are going to membahaskan the effectiveness. Because 1977, now 2009 already. Okay, how many years is that? 32 years. Okay, now membahaskan what is the effectiveness of UIA. Saya graduate from UIA, katakan. Okay? Alright, Islamization and integration. Okay, tapi the previous rector of UIA, Kamal Hassan, Professor Dr. Kamal Hassan, he's a very good friend of mine. He believes in the Islamization. Dua kali dia kata apa? Because why? All knowledge are Islamic actually. It comes from Allah SWT kata. You are not Islamizing. You are Islamizing. Can you pronounce it? Okay, see, so you cannot do. That's what I did. Okay? And also integration, that's what we're doing right now, reverse engineering. Unfortunately, we cannot go to the roots of the source of the problem. Okay? So what we do is that we try to Islamize balik. Knowledge which have been tainted by what? By Western, circular, consumerist ideas. Okay? That was what scientific revolution was. And that's why now commodity, education is a commodity. It is being traded like business. Advertising, university can advertising. Professors pun a professor of mine teaching software engineering had the cheek to say, I give only 30% of my time to you, 70% of my time is to my project, which I'm bringing in money for the school. I give you only 30%. That's what they do. Okay? So they teach, they leave. That's it. That is what education is at the what? Menara Gading kita. Okay, so now, understanding historical perspective, social, political, and economic, political history. Now we have reached this stage, and believe you me, it is a deliberate, planned process that has begun from the Renaissance. Okay, they know that the Muslims gained their power because they are knowledgeable, and knowledge was light to them. Okay, in order to untuk menghancurkan the true education, Islamic education system, because only then we can come up. Huh?
Yes. They, who are they?
Who are they? Right? They are the colonialists, the Americans, the British. Can okay? You heard of Lawrence of Arabia? Okay, these are the people that have been sent to infiltrate deep into the Islamic dunia tu, in order to uproot. As you know, Indonesia, right, was a strong Islamic punya area of influence. Majapahit kita belajar kan, okay? In Melaka you can see a lot of the masjids like dengan dragon kan. That was all Majapahit punya influence too, because they went all the way up to Melaka during the expansionist policy. Okay, even Mataram pun, who was the Sultan? Cepat, history. I memorized this for my history, but it came out for O levels. So that was not only you memorize and you regurgitate. That's all. Don't mind my wife, Okay, so who? Sultan Agong. Sultan Agong. It was a strong Islamic empire. Who's the other one dekat Sumatera? Demak. Another big, huge Islamic empire. And how has it become what it is right now? You go to Indonesia sekarang, the education system, Ignas. Okay? Totally void of any Islamic punya tu. First thing that they will control. Okay? And then after that what? Corporatization. Now who runs the universities? They are run like corporate giants. That's why all the names semua, CEOs, vice presidents, managers.
NUS has been corporatized.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. An US person that says so, not me. Okay? So it's true. It has been corporatized. Betul tak? Has been what? Privatized. Apa lagi? Corporatized, privatized, semua lah dia buat. Okay? It runs like a huge corporation. Very cold. You walk through the doorway. Students cannot no longer, like us, dulu. Dekat sembang-sembang dekat apa? Dekat musola. Sekarang sibuk jalan. When I went to NUS nak solat pun, satu datang. When we had a visitor from Malaysia kita duduk situ, we were discussing. Satu datang solat. You know, like that. Satu pergi, dua datang, dua pergi. Gitu. That's it. Knowledge is not life anymore. It's just a commodity. I just need to learn, I need to study, then throw away. Modular based kan? Capital accumulation, grants. Okay? Because of what? Commodification of knowledge.